Hi, in this video we're gonna show you a brand new feature of Windows 10, and I'm talking about the Microsoft account. To understand that better, I will try to give you the difference between Microsoft account and the standard user account. We all know that we can create standard user accounts, the so-called user account in Windows, where we can allow other users to log into the operating system. We all know that if we want to create a user account, we simply need to go to the control panel and choose that option. And if we choose add or remove user accounts, we can create such accounts and also create passwords for those accounts. However, these accounts are only locally on that very computer. Microsoft introduced with Windows 10 a brand new option which allows you to use a Microsoft account to sign in to your operating system as a separate user. What is the Microsoft account? This is actually an online account which you can have with, for example, Outlook or on the Microsoft.com website. That's just an option. So let's start with Outlook. If you currently have Outlook online, this is the free email service. So we go here. You can use that account to sign into your Windows 10 operating system. Let's see how it works. At the moment, we don't have such Outlook account, so we will create one. This means that here at the moment we create Outlook account or we can create Hotmail account. However, these accounts will be for sending and receiving emails. This is the email service. This is what the main purpose of that account is. So, just for the testing purposes, I will try to create new account. Okay, let me call it like that. And I will keep Outlook. So let's click on next. Oops, I have the message that this username is not available. So let me try something else. I will delete one letter, add just one number, and go on. Okay, this username is available. So now I simply have to create a password. Okay, I don't want that option, and I go on next. Okay. So now we choose the name, test user. Okay, we can keep that. I will choose just any date. Okay, so let me try another one. Okay, this is some security feature. We go on next. And now we're waiting. Okay, great. Now we have created a Outlook email address. This is what we can use that for. And we have actually Outlook account. This is one option. However, with that Outlook account that I have just created, I can go to the Microsoft.com website. Here I can sign in with that user account, and it automatically accepted that. So as you can see, the Outlook account I can use for the Microsoft.com account, and actually this is one account where I can sign in and use the Microsoft service and the Outlook service along with any other services. However, now the purpose of this video is to show you how I can use that Outlook or Microsoft account, this is actually the same thing, in order to create a user account on my computer. So I have now the account, and now I can go, normally I can go here, but I have already opened that option, so I come here. And here is where I can choose family or other users which I can add to my computer. Let me choose someone else to this PC. And now we already have that user account which I named this is what I named it. I just want to show you that if I don't have that user account created, which I did actually a few minutes ago, I can choose that option here. I don't have this person's sign-in information like Outlook and etc. So I can choose that. And it will give me the option to use another email account, another user ID to sign in to my computer. This could be not only Outlook or Hotmail, but this could be also, for example, Yahoo, Gmail, or any other user ID which I have as email address. However, I'm not going to use now this. I will keep my already created Outlook account. And now I have added this to my users. It should normally come up here. Okay, there it is. This is the new account which I have added here. Now, after I have added this to my operating system Windows 10, after I sign out from my operating system, then when I want to sign in back, then I can switch the usernames and I can choose that user account. And with that user account and the password, the very same password which I used to log in into Outlook, in other words into Microsoft, with that password I can sign in to my computer, to my Windows 10 operating system. So as you can see, we are in this way connecting an online account, online Microsoft account, with a local machine, local computer. What's the idea? Well, actually, just in few words, you can have now here your settings for your Windows desktop. I talk about, for example, settings for the desktop, settings for some security features of your Windows 10, and those settings go automatically updated with your Microsoft 10 account. Those settings are saved here in this account. And the advantage is that you can use that account go to another computer. This means another place, another hardware. You physically go to another place, you boot that computer there on this other new place, and if you have added this account there, then you can sign in to that other computer, and so you automatically transfer all those desktop settings to another device. This is the big advantage, and so you have one online account. Actually, if you log in here, you have then the option to manage many different devices, and you can transfer the Windows 10 settings of your user account across many devices, which is actually really cool because it saves a lot of time and it's really very, very convenient. So this was the most important information about Microsoft accounts, and I hope you will enjoy using this and you will have a great time. Thank you for watching. For more interesting videos, you can continue watching our website, which is offboard.eu, off with double F. Thank you. Bye bye.